Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your listening developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the projects using Android and Java. And I hope you understand that all projects which we have just covered up here. So today we are just building an amazing project using Java. And today I will be telling you that how to build an amazing hoverboard project using Java from start. And I will be telling you what is hoverboard in Java, how to build this from start. So if you understand this video, if you enjoy this project which we are building here in this video of our code. So remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project from start here and what things we will be including in this project moving forward. I will be telling you, and I will be also telling you that what libraries we'll be using here with Java and how we'll be just building this project from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just building an amazing project here using Java, and today we are building an amazing hoverboard project. So now we'll be starting with our video here and seeing that how we can just build this amazing hoverboard project using Java from start. So for building this project, I will be opening my folder which is on desktop. So I will be moving to my folder, and this is our folder of hoverboard in Java. So I will be opening this project. You can see our folder has been opened, and this is our main file which we will be working on with. So I will be removing all this stuff from this file, and here I will be saving this. After saving this file, you have to move to this file and then remove all the things from here. And then from here also I will be removing because I will be not needing these all this stuff here. So I will be saving that. Then you have to press Ctrl V, then move here. And after moving here, you have to now directly just move to your main file here in the folder, which is the Java folder. And this was our main file. If I show you here in this folder, so you can see here is it our main file, which is totally empty. So now we'll be starting and building this amazing hoverboard project which we are building here through Java. So for building this here, we have to now just write some of the code in our main file, so we can just move on to just our main Java file to use that. So here I will be now just I have just written the title of our code. Then I will be giving it the class as container, and you have to write here ID as container as well. Then you have to now move after the close div and link your script file which is of Java. So I have linked my file here. You can see nothing is coming because only we have written container. Now we have to style this container so we can move on to work with this. So here I will be now just writing here box size and should be border box like this. Then you have to write here body should be having the background color, and it should be like 1111 you can say with the hashtag which is the color code. You can say this here. Then after writing this, you have to give here the display of flags. Then write here align items should be center, and then you have to now directly do one thing. You have to now write here justify content which should be center, and write here a tag which should be having the height of 100 ph. So I will be now writing this. After writing this thing, you have to write here overflow hidden, and write here margin should be 0. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here container tag in which I will be writing display flex, and here you have to write align items should be in center. Then you have to now just write here justify content which should be in center as well, and write here flex wrap which should be wrap. Then you have to now write here max width, and max width should be 400 pixel, and write here square like this. And then you have to write here background color should be 1D 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 like this. Then you have to write here box shadow should be 002 pixel, and write here 000 which is the black color code. So you can see now we have just written this. Here you have to now just set the height of 16 pixel like this. Write here width of 16 pixel as well, margin of 2 pixel, and write here transition should be like 2 as is. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here square tag and hover. After writing this hover, you have to now just write here transition duration like this, and write here 0s. Save it here. Then you have to reload. You can see now we are getting only the blackish color at the back. Now we should be getting some animation on hoverboard effect here as well, but we are not getting here. So for getting that hoverboard effect, you have to directly move to your file here, which is the JS file, to get the effect here. So I will be moving to my JS file, means my Java file, to use that codes here. So I will be writing here container is equals to document dot. So here I will be writing get element by ID. Then I will be writing here container which we have defined in our main file. Then write here cons colors, like what colors you want here in your project. So I will be defining the colors here, like I want this 056 CF2 like this, comma. Then I will be now just writing here 05AFF2. So here I will be now just writing this. Then you have to now directly write this hashtag F2E205. Then you have to now just make this tag and write here F28 705. Then right here comma, right here A6. Then you have to write 2103. Then you have to now just close this. Right here cons squares is equals to. So here I will be now moving like this, and here I will be just now writing here 500 like this. Then you have to just move down right here cons get random color. So here I will be now just writing here get random color like this. And after writing you have to now just write this tag. Here you have to just now write here colors like this, and then make this bracket means the square bracket here, and write here math dot close, and you have to now write here math dot random like this. After writing this thing you have to now make this tag, and then you have to write colors dot length like this, and then you have to now just move down and write here font set color like this thing. Right here is equals to square. Then you have to now just write this tag and move down. Then you have to write fonts color is equals to right here get random color. Then you have to now close this tag like this. Right here is square dot, and then you have to write here style dot background is equals to color. Then you have to move down here again. After moving down this you have to now directly write here square like this, and then you have to now just directly another tag you have to write here like dot style. Then I will be writing dot background is equals to, then write this tag 002 pixel. Right here this tag again. So here I will be making this right here colors, or you can say color. Then I will be writing 0010 pixel, and then you have to write this hashtag again and write here color. After writing you have to close this tag as well. Then you have to write here fonts remove color is equals to square. So here I will be now writing square like this. After writing this tag you have to now just write here is equals to like this. Then move down, create here square. Then you have to write here style dot background, and after writing this tag you have to now write here like this 1D 1D 1D. Then you have to close it, right here square dot, right here style dot box shadow this time is equals to right here 002 pixel, and then right here hashtag 00. This is the blackish color code. Then I will be moving down and creating for let I. Then right here is equals to 0. Then right here I tag, and right here squares. So here I will be now writing squares. Then right here I plus plus. Then you have to write here font square is equals to. Then you have to write here document dot. Then I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like create element. So here I will be now just writing this, and write here div. Then you have to move down, create here a square dot class list. So here I will be writing dot add. Then you have to write here a square. Now you have to move down and write here a square dot add event listener. So here I will be now just making this. Write here mouse over and write this tag. After writing this you have to now directly write like this tag and write here set color, and then you have to now just write here a tag which should be like a square. Then you have to now just move down, right here square like this dot add event listener. So here I will be now just writing this, and then you have to write here mouse out like this. Then you have to now just directly write here comma, and then you have to make this tag like this, and then you have to write here remove color. And after writing this you have to write here a square, and then you have to close this, right here container, then write here dot append child. So here I will be now just writing here append child and write here square. After writing this you have to now directly save this tag here, and after saving this tag you have to now directly do one thing, you have to reload here. So if I show you, you can see we are getting a square box, but if I show you here, so we are not getting a color effect in this project. So we are not getting because we have just done here a spelling mistake. Now if I reload, you can see now we are just getting the hover effect on our hoverboard, and you can see our project has ready. So you can see this was our amazing hoverboard project. You can see we are getting the hoverboard at the back, in which we are getting a hover effect, and you can just do like, you can say amazing scrolling hover effect we are getting here, which this was the hoverboard which I want to show you, and I want to just build this hoverboard project using Java. So I hope you understand this project here of hoverboard, how we have just built this hoverboard from start using Java. So if you have understand this project and if you enjoy this video here, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, and notification bell, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using these all amazing languages. So just tell me, meet you next project. So for today, goodbye.